Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing a gaming performance and heat check on this brand new Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite. There's one thing very unique about this handset, and that is it is now giving you for the very first time a brand new chipset, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G. That chipset is making its debut in this phone, so that makes this phone very unique. I know there are quite a few Snapdragon 765 chipset smartphones in the market already, but this is for the very first time we have seen Qualcomm releasing 750G. So this phone actually holds the unique title of inaugurating the brand new 750G Snapdragon chipset, like I said. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. Now before we start, let's get into the phone and have a look and see which version of Android and Color OS this phone is running. So about phone, as you can see, it's running MIUI Global 12.0.2. This is the global ROM, along with Android version 10. Hopefully at some point we will get 11, maybe later this year or at the beginning of next year. Going into all specs, and this is where you have got your octa-core chipset, which is the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G, and everything else along as we speak. Now I've got a couple of games here which I've installed. I've been gaming with the past few days. The chipset has performed really well. I've played Mortal Kombat, Mad Zombies, this squad shooting game, Marvel Champions, and a couple of others. Obviously we can't play all these in this one video, but I'll play at least 3 or 4 to give you an idea of how it performs. And also I've got my infrared thermometer here, the gun, which will measure the temperature as we go along. So we'll game for about half an hour to 45 minutes or thereabouts and see if the phone heats up, and we will also measure the performance as we go along, like I said. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. So now we have been giving for nearly 10 minutes. Let's have a look at see how is the temperature like at the back of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite. So here's my heat gun. Having a look at the back, around 38.7. Yeah, it's getting a bit warmer now. It wasn't as warm in the first 5 minutes, but after about 7-8 minutes it did start to get a bit warm. But still, it's not as bad. As long as it stays below 42, 43, I think it should be just doing okay. So not looking too bad here, guys. Around this corner, this area, top left corner, 37, 38. And looking at the front as well now, pretty much the same, 37, 38. So not looking too bad. Okay, so now it's been over 25 minutes and let's have a look and see how the temperatures are like at the back and the front of the phone. So getting my thermostat gun in, let's have a look. It's gone a little bit above than before, so it's around 40 now, but that's not too bad considering we have gamed in total of over 25 minutes, and so far it is still staying within the reasonable limits. 35 to 40 is normally the temperature which most chipsets mid-tier to top tier do show when it comes to especially gaming performance under stress. But it's amazing to see that even after half an hour, the phone is not as hot as I expected it to be. As you know, I'm playing quite heavy games, big games, a massive game, and despite that, the phone is showing reasonably good temperature. And as long as it stays under 43, 44, 42-ish, it should be just enough. As you can see, it's showing you around 39 to 40 mark, not too bad. Oops.
Whoa, that was cool. That tomorrow. Hey, really good. Sweet. Whoa, right on.
So now we've been gaming for 40 minutes. Let's have a look and see what the temperature is like. This last game was a bit lighter, but I thought I'll bring in some variety. So let's have a look then. 37, 37.4, 37, 36, 31, 37. So as you can see, with half an hour of heavy gaming and about 10 minutes of light gaming, still it stays around 37 to 40 mark. Which is excellent. So meaning those of you who are looking to invest into the Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G, guys, I can assure you after this video and my experience for the past few days, the phone doesn't heat up. It's absolutely fine. If it can take so much of heavy gaming for such a long period of time, then most likely for most of you out there, it should be okay. Unless you game on it for a couple of hours, maybe it might behave differently, but most people use smartphones as casual gaming devices up to half an hour max. And you can see the 750G Snapdragon Qualcomm chipset is very efficient, staying alright, doesn't heat up as much, comfortable in the hand, and overall giving a very good performance. So guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions about the phone, about the gaming, anything else, please feel free to ask me in the comment section, and please do stay tuned. Plenty more videos on this, the battery life on the Xperia 5 II, and the rest coming up as well. So please do stay tuned, and I shall see you in the next video.